Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, I want to talk about why you shouldn't feel weird recording in public ever. Like ever. You shouldn't feel weird recording in public. There will always be something like just in your mind or in your heart that, oh no, it feels weird. But I'm going to talk about it super logically on why you shouldn't just feel weird recording in public. So the purpose of this video is to let you guys know to get the most amazing content you can whenever you're outdoors, without the need to follow invisible rules and ethics. Outdoors is where most of the amazing things happen. You have to leave your home to tell stories. If you want to take B-roll, take footage outside. Do your content outside because you can. It doesn't make sense to feel weird recording in public anymore. So it no longer makes sense to feel weird about recording in public, as the general public has come to an understanding the reasons behind why you record in public. Even if you see a stranger dancing on the street to gain views on TikTok, unless it is unethical, you should not judge him. Like if you see, like, people do this all the time, like, oh no, what's happening to our society? Look at this girl dancing on TikTok, or look at these guys or girls dancing on TikTok doing the escalator videos. The thing about that specific thing is that happens very rarely. Like, you'll see it online, but when was the last time you actually saw it in public? 5 weeks ago, 2 months ago, three. I personally see it very less. And people always, for some reason, just, I'm like, when I see that, I'm like, okay, well, they have the courage and they have the dedication to just go for it. They don't care what you think. They just go for it. And that's something that kind of I came to a realization too. I'm like, okay, like these people, like you could make fun of them all you want, but they're just going for it. So even over here, like those people who dance in public have many things you don't. They have built up the courage to do something like that, and they're actively chasing what they want in life. Good or bad, that's their decisions. You need to take a closer look at the people who do judge you. So it's important to take a closer look at the people who judge you for recording in public. Ask yourself if you want the life they have. If the answer is no, then you shouldn't care what they think. If you want to vlog in public or create content outdoors, go ahead and do it. The amount of people who actually do this is relatively rare, despite the prevalence of such content online. Like, we already talked about this. Like, you might see it online all the time, but what happens online and what happens in real life may be two different things. And remember, number one, it's for your brand. Like, it's for your brand. You're not doing this just for fun. Like, you're doing this to actually either tell stories, create something engaging for your audience, tell them something, I don't know, your niche related. It's for your brand. Like, there's a lot of outdoors video you see that you enjoy, so why not just create some of them too, and listen to those who are credible in this area. And I made a video about who you should listen to when you first started creating content. And just to give you a highlight of the video was just about why you should only listen to people who create content to criticize you. If you listen to like some of your family members or these anons online, they won't give you the best advice. I'm not telling you to not listen to them, but I'm just saying that their advice just doesn't hold the same weight as someone who actually does this. Let's talk about some benefits of public recording as well. Just so it builds confidence. So if you're recording in public, it can help you build confidence to just put yourself out there. It's simple but very effective. Connecting with audiences. So presuming you already create content, creating content outdoors is just going to give you a better look to it, and adding more B-roll to show people more about you. And then capturing authentic moments. Like, you can't capture authentic moments like on this desk. Like, I'm not capturing any authentic moment. This is pre-planned. So public recording allows you to capture genuine unscripted moments. So if we're building a personal brand, that touch is very important. And truth be told, this is something I'm working on myself as well. Like, just capturing some stuff online. At first I was like, enjoy the moment kind of thing, but even that I'm kind of trying to stay away from. I'm trying to capture as much as I can. But yeah. So yeah, that is all for today's video. Hope you got some clarity on this topic, and I guess a win for me in this video would be helping you to actually go outside and create content. But yeah, just some key points I thought I'd talk about it. And also wanted to talk about my newsletter real quick. So I have this newsletter over here. I send 5 emails a week, 5 short emails a week. So even something like this I've talked about, I think it goes out tomorrow. But yeah, check it out. It's a link in the description. 5 short emails, pretty brief. And if you are a service-based business who are looking to get book calls using the social platforms, there's a link in the description, a calendar link. You can just click on that and book a call with me, and then we'll get in touch. I'll see you tomorrow.